Dropping several $1,000s on a high-end gaming rig through a massive online retailer feels like walking a tightrope without a net. You see a listing that looks absolutely perfect. It boasts components that should crush every game on the market today. This specific build from a well-known manufacturer sounds like a dream for any hardcore enthusiast. It features a processor that is arguably the king of gaming right now. This chip uses advanced three-dimensional cache technology to deliver frame rates that most people only see in professional benchmarks. Then you look at the graphics card. It is one of the newest releases in the high-end category. It comes packed with enough video memory to handle the most demanding textures at the highest resolutions. You're getting 32 gigabytes of the newest, fastest system memory available. There's also a massive 2 terabyte solid-state drive for all your games and media. On paper, it is a high-performance monster. It should be a simple click of a button to reach gaming nirvana. But there is a huge trap waiting for the unwary buyer. Just because a product exists on a major site does not mean every seller is trustworthy. People get blinded by the flashy specifications. They see the promise of smooth gameplay and ray-traced visuals. They see that sleek case with the glass panels and the vibrant lighting. It is easy to get caught up in the excitement. You want to see your favorite titles running at peak settings without a single hiccup. However, you must be careful. You need to look past the marketing blurbs. Is the seller actually the company that built the machine? Is it a reputable vendor with a long history of customer satisfaction? Or is it a third-party seller with a questionable track record? This is where the situation gets risky. This system is marketed as a supreme gaming choice. It is not for the casual player. It is for someone who demands the best. The internal components are top of the line. The processor is built for speed. The graphics card is designed for the future. Even the storage uses a modern high-speed interface to keep loading times at a minimum. It even comes pre-installed with the latest operating system and built-in wireless connectivity. It has everything you could possibly want in a modern battle station. But your job as a buyer is to be a skeptic. Scroll down the page. Read the feedback from other customers. Check the return policy in case something goes wrong during shipping. Sometimes these pre-built machines can have issues with cable management or cooling performance. You are making a huge financial investment. You want to ensure that the assembly quality matches the high price tag. If the seller is legitimate and the reviews are glowing, then it is a powerful statement of a machine. It represents the cutting edge of what is possible for home gaming right now. It is fast. It is capable. It is a beast in every sense of the word. But do not let that shiny new hardware cloud your judgment. Take your time. Verify the details. Ensure that your money is going to a place that values your business. Only then should you pull the trigger on such an incredible piece of technology.